had been a key driver of our economic growth. The combination of high quality and quantity at affordable prices has generated immense interest in the Indian pharma sector around the world. Since 2014, the Indian healthcare sector has attracted over $12 billion in foreign direct investment. And there is still potential for much more. Friends, our definition of wellness is not limited by physical boundaries. We believe in the well-being of the entire humankind. Sarve api sukhina santu, sarve santu niramaya. And we have shown this spirit to the whole world during the COVID-19 global pandemic. We exported life-saving medicines and medical equipments to over 150 countries during the initial phase of the pandemic. We have also exported more than 65 million doses of COVID vaccines to nearly 100 countries this year. Over the coming months, as we ramp up our vaccine production capacities, we will do much more. Friends, the importance of innovation had been reinforced in the COVID-19 era in all walks of life. The disruption forced us to reimagine for our lifestyles the way we think and we work. In the context of the Indian pharma sector too, the speed, scale, and willingness to innovate had been truly impressive. For example, it is this spirit of innovation that led to India becoming a major producer and exporter of PPEs. And it is the same spirit of innovation that led to India being at the forefront of innovating, producing, administering, and exporting COVID-19 vaccines. Friends, the same spirit of innovation is reflected in the steps being taken by the government to encourage growth in the pharma sector. Last month, the government has released a draft document outlining the policy catalyze research and development and innovation in the pharma medtech sector in India. This policy reflects India's commitment to encourage R&D in pharmaceutical and medical devices. Our vision is to create an ecosystem for innovation that will make India leader in a drug discovery and innovation medical devices. Our policy interventions are being made based on wide consultation with all stakeholders. We are sensitive to the industry demands on regulatory framework and are actively working in this direction. The industry has got a major boost through the production-linked incentive schemes worth over 30,000 crore rupees for the pharmaceutical and medical devices. Friends, the support of industry, the academic world, and especially our talented youth is important. That is why we are encouraging collaboration between academia and industry